Hi, in this presentation I will tell you and show you how to prepare for pitch presentation. As I have mentioned before, this is type of presentation, but the difference is that this presentation have to be done in 1 to 5 minutes. Usually, this presentation type is used for business purposes, for business idea presentations, for selling, and most commonly for fundraising. And if I can say, this is actually the art of expression, because as you understand, it's not easy to tell everything about your business idea in 5 minutes. So what are the most common pitch mistakes? First of all, that businessmen are not including stories in their presentations. For example, why they have started this business idea. Maybe they had some problems before, so they decided they need to create these innovations or something new which has escalated to new startup or new business. Another thing which is really a big mistake in such a presentations are that people may include a lot of information in one slide. I understand that 5 minutes, it's not a lot. Information which you have is a lot, but try to be structured and use maybe just some keywords and do your work with the stories what you are telling during your presentation. Another thing, but it's more common for businessmen, that they're trying to list all the features and not benefits, and trying to solve too many problems. So stick with the most important problems and with the most important benefits which you are offering to your audience. And another thing, but this is more common for those who present business ideas for investors, they're saying that they don't have any competition. In such a situations, I have seen how investors already after the sentence, take their phones and start to look for competitions and for other businesses which are doing something similar. To prepare for pitch presentations, first of all, keep it conversational. Don't be really strict or conservative. Make it more as a talk, make it more as a conversation with the stories, with the questions, with the engagement of the audience. Then do not rush. I understand that it's not easy to stick in those few minutes, but try to breathe, first of all, because we don't want to see that someone is falling because they are talking too fast and at the end they don't have any breath. Also, be persuasive. Don't be afraid to convince audience that the exact idea what you are presenting is the best, because confidence makes the idea great. And here comes confidence. Tell stories, tell benefits, tell everyone that you are doing the best. But at the same time, do not forget, be yourself, because you are the person who is representing your business idea. And if you live with this idea, be yourself, tell stories, show the benefits, not only features, and make your presentation and speech the best. As I mentioned in previous videos, before every important presentation, you should make sure what the audience or what the investors or conference organizers are expecting from you. Is it presentation or just a speech or panel speech? Is it presentation with slides or without slides? What kind of information you should include in your presentation? In next slides, I will show you the most common information what you should include in business pitches for investors. First of all, start with the problem. What is the problem what you want to solve with your business idea? Try to list maybe 1, 2, or 3 problems. What are these? What are these problems? Name relevant problems that your business idea will solve. Explain how these problems can affect people's lives and in negative way, and highlight these problems at the very beginning to be able to create this intrigue to offer solution in the future. After listing these problems, this is time for your solution. So this is the time when you have to show what is your business idea, what is your solution, what you will do, offer, and why you are so great. Try to name your solution in few sentences, maybe show some visualizations. If you have prototype, the best way is already show how does it work. Try to show at least something in your pitch presentation. If you have some working app, show it. If you have some drawings or some prototypes, again, show it. If you have something which is working and which you can give someone, your audience to touch and feel, again, show. It doesn't matter that it's improved or that you have to improve it a lot. It doesn't matter that it doesn't look the way what you have thought at the beginning. The most important is that you have this prototype and that you have this vision how it will look in the future. If you and your company already has some history or maybe previous steps what you have done to become what you are or to create what you already have, that also here you can show it, because it proves that you already work for year 2 or 3. Another information which is important is why to start now. Prove with data, prove with statistics, prove with some researches, find something that proves that this business idea is the right and it will fit right now. In this case, you can use, for example, Google Trends, where you can find the information or for how many times the product which you are using or the trend which you are using or trying to develop is search in Google search. So this will be proof that this is the right time and now I have to start this business idea. This is very important for investors. They really do not want to miss the right time, and if this is the right time, that you have to show it. In this part of presentation, you should show and visualize your customer. For my students, I usually say that you have to draw your customer, but the most important thing is that you actually know what he looks like, what he does, and what he actually wants. To help you to create this visualization of your customer, I have prepared the canvas or questions which after answering you will find out what your customer is doing, where he is living, what is the influence of him, maybe what is his goals and responsibilities, and which are the channels he's using every day, so you can find him in the right time and the right space. And with that I mean, is he or she using Instagram, Facebook, or maybe he's a little bit older, so he's using listening every day radio or watching TV. So the channels you will use later will be right for the exact customer which you have chosen. Advantages. And you cannot present your business idea without advantages. Try to put on your slides at least 2-3 advantages or ways how your business idea will solve problems, so that investors can see the benefits which you are offering. And do not forget to put the information where we can find you, so if investors want to contact you after this presentation, they actually know where to look for. I hope that you will find this video useful. And the most important thing, what I want to mention here, do not be afraid to pitch. It's actually easy, but key to success is to prepare. So prepare for pitch and you will get your success in your business. Thank you.